If you have kidney issue, then drink these herbal teas and see what happens to your body in a few days. Herbal remedies have been celebrated for centuries for their healing properties. When it comes to kidney health, these natural solutions offer a gentle yet effective way to support and maintain optimal kidney function without harsh side effects. Creatinine is a waste product generated from muscle metabolism. High levels in the blood can indicate impaired kidney function. Monitoring creatinine levels helps in assessing the efficiency of kidneys and overall health. Kidneys play a crucial role in detoxification by filtering waste and excess substances from the blood. They maintain electrolyte balance, regulate blood pressure, and produce hormones essential for bodily functions, ensuring overall well-being. Elevated creatinine levels can result from chronic kidney disease, dehydration, strenuous exercise, or certain medications. Identifying the underlying cause is vital for determining the appropriate treatment and preventing further kidney damage. High creatinine levels can manifest through symptoms like fatigue, nausea, swelling, and changes in urination patterns. Recognizing these signs early can prompt timely medical intervention and help preserve kidney health. Conventional treatments for high creatinine often involve medications and lifestyle changes. Medications may help manage underlying conditions like hypertension or diabetes. Lifestyle modifications include dietary adjustments, increased water intake, and reduced protein consumption to lessen kidney strain. Natural remedies are increasingly popular due to their fewer side effects. These alternatives offer holistic benefits, addressing not just symptoms but overall well-being. Choosing natural options can be empowering, providing a sense of control over one's health journey. Introducing the Miracle Tea, a blend of carefully selected herbs. This tea aims to support kidney health naturally. The ingredients are chosen for their known benefits in promoting kidney function and detoxification, making it a powerful ally. The tea contains ingredients such as nettle leaf, dandelion root, and turmeric. Each component is renowned for its ability to support kidney health. These natural elements work synergistically to help maintain optimal kidney function and lower creatinine levels. Nettle leaf acts as a natural diuretic, aiding in waste elimination. Dandelion root promotes detoxification by supporting liver function. Turmeric provides anti-inflammatory benefits, reducing kidney strain. Together, these ingredients create a potent blend for kidney health. To prepare the Miracle Tea, start by gathering fresh, high-quality ingredients. Boil water and add the herbs, allowing them to steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and let it cool before drinking. For optimal results, consume the tea on an empty stomach in the morning. This ensures maximum absorption of the beneficial compounds. An evening dose can also help in maintaining kidney function overnight. Success stories highlight the tea's effectiveness in reducing creatinine levels. Users report improved kidney function, increased energy, and overall better health. These real-life testimonials provide hope and motivation for those seeking natural remedies. Scientific studies support the efficacy of the Miracle Tea. Research shows that the ingredients have properties that promote kidney health and reduce creatinine levels. This scientific backing adds credibility to the tea's healing claims. The tea stands out among other natural remedies due to its unique blend of ingredients and proven results. While other remedies offer benefits, the combination in this tea maximizes kidney support and overall health improvements. One potential side effect of the kidney healing tea is mild stomach discomfort, which can be avoided by starting with a smaller dose and gradually increasing it. Always ensure the ingredients are fresh to minimize adverse reactions. Incorporating a kidney-friendly diet alongside the tea can enhance its benefits. Focus on consuming foods low in potassium and phosphorus, such as apples and white rice. This dietary approach supports overall kidney function and health. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health and reducing creatinine levels. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and support the kidney's natural detoxification process, enhancing the tea's effectiveness. Regular exercise can help lower creatinine levels by improving overall circulation and kidney function. Aim for moderate activities like walking or swimming, which are gentle on the kidneys yet effective in promoting better health and detoxification. Managing stress is vital for optimal kidney function, as chronic stress can negatively impact the body's systems, including the kidneys. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to support kidney health and improve overall well-being. Sleep plays a vital role in maintaining kidney health. During restful sleep, the body repairs itself and supports kidney function. Poor sleep quality can exacerbate kidney issues, leading to higher creatinine levels and overall health deterioration. Prioritize good sleep habits. Monitoring your progress is crucial when managing kidney health. Regularly track your creatinine levels to see how well the tea is working. Consistent monitoring helps you make informed decisions and adjust your regimen for optimal results. Consulting a healthcare professional is essential for personalized advice. While natural remedies can be beneficial, a medical expert ensures your treatment plan is safe and effective. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance for your kidney health journey. Consistent consumption of the kidney healing tea offers long-term benefits. Regular intake can promote sustained kidney health, helping to maintain balanced creatinine levels. Over time, you may experience improved overall well-being and a better quality of life. Frequently asked questions about the kidney healing tea include concerns about ingredients, preparation, and potential interactions. Addressing these queries helps users feel confident and informed, ensuring they get the most out of the natural remedy. Misconceptions about lowering creatinine levels abound. Many believe drastic lifestyle changes are the only solution. However, integrating simple, natural remedies like the kidney healing tea can be effective and easier to maintain long-term without overwhelming adjustments. The kidney healing tea is cost-effective, especially when compared to conventional treatments and medications. Its ingredients are both accessible and affordable, making it an economical choice for those seeking to improve kidney health naturally without breaking the bank. Ethically sourcing the tea's ingredients ensures that the environment and local communities benefit as well. Sustainable farming practices and fair trade agreements not only produce high-quality ingredients but also support the livelihoods of farmers worldwide. Choosing natural remedies like the kidney healing tea has a positive environmental impact. Unlike synthetic medications, which often have a significant carbon footprint, this tea is made from sustainably sourced ingredients, minimizing environmental harm and promoting ecological balance. Embracing natural solutions for kidney health fosters a holistic approach to well-being. The kidney healing tea offers a gentle yet effective way to support kidney function, demonstrating that nature's remedies can be powerful allies in maintaining overall health and vitality.